Hi, this is the Janitorial Spot. This is the place where the cleaning community comes to learn all about either starting or running a successful cleaning business. If this is your first time visiting us, thank you and welcome. Also, make sure you subscribe below to our channel or visit us at thejanitorialspot.com, Facebook with Janitorial Spot, or make sure that you give us a call at 1-800-601-2730 extension 106. Now, let's get started. 3 ways to actually, or 3 skills that's required to have a successful business, cleaning business. 3 ways to have a successful cleaning business. 1, you must be confident. Confident is very, very important when you're looking to have a successful cleaning business. You're going to have to deal and be confident with employees. You're going to have to deal and be confident with customers, and make sure you have confidence in yourself. This is going to really, really make the difference in having a mediocre, average cleaning business or a successful cleaning business. And what I mean by confidence is exuding it, feeling as if the more you learn about your business, the more you feel confident in your business. So learning is very important. That's a skill that comes under confidence. So skill number 1 in order to run a successful cleaning business is being confident. Skill number 2 is having great sales and marketing skills. This is a must. If you want to have a successful cleaning business, you're going to have to learn how to sell your business and make sure that the customers or the potential customers understand the value that you're going to bring to having a actual successful cleaning business. Having them as a customer, what you're going to bring is going to be just above anything that they've ever seen. So you're going to make sure that you convey that by your safety, your training, how well you get along with your employees, reduction in the turnover rate. This is something you're going to sell. So skill number 2 is having outstanding skill sets when it comes to sales and marketing. Skill set number 3 that's required to have a successful business is being able to speak. I feel that having the ability to speak in front of large groups is something that terrifies so many people. If you can convey and communicate very well and effective, that is going to go very far to a required skill for having a successful cleaning business. I hope these 3 tips were helpful, and we look forward to you visiting our channel again soon. Have a fantastic day.